everyone. We are the first reporter of our subject, Art Appreciation G6. Our topic is all about Gamaba National Artist Events Exhibit Managing Audience. So please stand up for the prayer. In the name of the Father, of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Please read the title.
Objectives.
Balik.
Gamaba National Artist Events Exhibits Managing Audience.
Group 9.
So these are the objectives of our topic. First is understand the historical significance and attributes of Gamaba, a national artist, to the Philippine culture and heritage. So in our topic, dila na tumabalan kung unsa gud ka-importante ang arts, unsa siya ka-importante sa kaning ato nga unsa na ba unsa ka-importante siya sa ato nga country. Kay mostly tanan di ba daghang tanan nga mga country nagkuhan pud sila og arts, pero ang Filipino gud grabe ang ilaha pud ba nga ang saniba nga grabe ang ilaha ba nga love sa art. Dalan tinood. Understand the historical significance. Unsay na makita mo diya og mga arts nga kanang unsay asa siya gagawan kinsay nag-art ani kinsay inspiration ana nga art na dito ninyo makita. And next is develop the ability to curate and organize art exhibits that highlight the works of Gamaba, a national artist, effectively. Then last is foster a sense of respect and appreciation for the rich cultural heritage represented by Gamaba, a national artist. So I have one question here. Why do you think it is important to recognize and preserve traditional arts and crafts? Anyone? Okay, Miss Marlene. Please stand up.
It is important because para inspiration po sa mga artists.
Yes, thank you. Sige ka.
It's important because we know and recognize the art of our ancestors.
Yes. Everything is because sila ang side. Come on.
Then,
Sige, ikaw.
It is important to recognize and preserve traditional arts kay Juan para ito ang mawala ang para to credit kung isa na lang ang tinod na owner ato dili na magkaroon mga sinapiro dahil niya na iyang giangkon dapat ato i-credit sa isa din ang artist.
Anyone?
It is because para ma-recognize o ma-preserve ang traditional arts and sa mga ancestors para mawalaan sa mga mga new generation unsay ka ay ang art. Yes.
Wala na?
For me, it is important because it is the way to honor the artist of how creative they are.
So, please give a
Please read everyone.
Gamaba.
And national artists are prestigious artists in the Philippines. While National Artist Award is is given to Filipino individuals na who have made important contribution to different field of arts. So next is
Events and exhibits.
play a short role in the showcasing. Basta. Sige.
Go.
Events and exhibits. Events and exhibits play a crucial role in showcasing the works of the Maba and national artists. These activities help educate the public about their artistic contributions and ensure the events and exhibits play a crucial role in showcasing the works of the Maba and national artists. These activities help educate the public about their artistic contributions and ensure the preservation of traditional and contemporary Filipino arts. Preservation of traditional and contemporary Filipino arts.
So, familiar naman ta about events and exhibit, right? Kaya
Yes.
natapon man nila to way back in elementary and also here in high school, di ba? So, we are very familiar about that. So, how important events and exhibit para ninyo, how important it is sa ato ang kuandon kanang generation nga mas mo kuantahan ng makabaluta about events and exhibit or mo antuta ani nga kuan ng events. How important ikaw ko.
It is important because, example, makargo sa isa ka exhibits or events, di ba, mabala natin kung kinsa ni design, kinsa ni drawing, kinsa nagamain ani. And para dili ta mano ba, kanang mamanoy.
So, events and exhibits are really important in promoting the works of the Maba awardees, diba, and national artists. So, by this activity, kanina events and exhibit, it allows people or it allow us to see and appreciate their arts, also such as paintings, diba? Makita na nato sa events and exhibit, diba? Anang paintings, sculptures, music, and traditional crafts. So, kasabat na mo?
Yes, ma'am.
Next is, we have here 5 ways to promote the works of the Maba and national artists. So, first is
Art exhibitions. Museums and galleries hold exhibitions featuring paintings, sculptures, and crafts created by national artists and Maba awardees.
So, same as katong sa, di ba, sa events and exhibition. So, ang art and exhibition is, dito na to ang art exhibition is makita ni nato sa museum or in galleries, display kanang ilang mga paintings sa mga Gamaba Art Awardees and National Artist Award paintings sila, sculpture, and then craft, and made by the national artists and Gamaba awardees. So next is cultural festivals.
These events highlight traditional performances, weaving demonstrations, and indigenous music played by the Maba artists.
So an example of cultural festivals is a festival where a Gamaba artist is nag-play siya og traditional bamboo instrument. Kapag di ba itong float nga bamboo? What is like one example of ilahang gigamit para i-present sa usa ka cultural festivals. Next, please, ma'am. So let's move on to workshops and lectures. Please read it.
Workshops and exhibitions. Artists conduct hands-on workshops and discussions to teach them from the younger generations.
So, let me ask you a question. Can anyone give me an idea why those artists conduct hands-on workshops and discussion to the younger generation? Okay, Kenneth?
Yes.
Why those artists conduct hands-on workshops and discussion to younger generation?
For me, mauna ko na sa workshop sa young generation para matulog nila sa mga sarili ng mga examples. Ato gani ko tutunan ko nila i-kuha nila tutulog nila sa workshop para mas mo lagi nakasa sila para makawala dito.
That's right. That's why those artists conduct hands-on workshop and discussion to those younger generation kay para po ma-share nila ang ilang knowledge about anak nga craft nila ba. So, those younger generation ma-apply po nila sila na magamit nila ilang mga skills, knowledge about anak. So, next, number one,
Okay.
any idea sa?
Ken, do you have any idea about it? Ken?
Sa mga sige
So, review concerts and performances. Musician can
Tribute concerts and performances. Musicians, dancers, and actors perform in honor of national artists. Keeping their works alive.
so tribute concerts and performances. Musicians, dancers, and actors perform in honor of national artists, keeping their works alive. So that's why ang mga musician, dancers, o actor, mga performer na sila parang ilang galing mga works is inatipradya nila kay not unlike sa mga uban ganing artists like ilang mga work is wala nila gi-perform makabantay mo wala sila hindi nila ganit siya sikat karon kay nakakalimutan na that's why ang ubang artist is perform job nila ilang mga kwan para mas wala sila na wala. So let's go to heritage tours. This we present
Organized some cultural sites and art areas to help audiences understand the history behind each art work.
and Priscilla can ask the question. Can I? Why visiting cultural sites and art activities help others?
Makahelp sa audiences kay kanang sa ni kanang view or kanang may napala nato kung sa sinang una nga mga building nila or katong mga
When you visit a museum or art galleries, nabay magbutang dito sa mga mga pictures na yung mga history. Okay na ba rin ani? Okay, ano kasi meaning ilang debate nila ang kanila. So, it's very important to go to or visit museum to indulge their
So, makatapat yun sa mga audience na maadto sila sa mga cultural sites, sa mga art studios. Like sa Lima ni Jay, natin ito kung sila ang mga art form, dahil lang dito nakabutang sa isilikan ng art. So, dito mga sabot ang mga audience kung sa ipasabot ng art, kung sa history, ano nga nung na-inform niya sa artist.
So by these 5 different events and activities help in showcasing the workshop or work of Agamaba awardees and national artists. So again, this activity will allow us or allow people to learn
my idea about managing audience effectively. So if we're presenting this about art,
Yes.
my idea about this is
Yes,
we present something that, for example, you're an artist. Your goal is to capture the attention of your audience. You need to make sure that the audience is full, her attention or his attention is fully on your art, and you need to make your art presentable and that is eye-catching to the audience.
Very good. So next is the educational program. So please read everyone.
Schools and universities partner with cultural organizations to introduce students to works of artists.
So here in educational programs, kapag kayo mostly anak ay taga kuan ka na.
Sa kuan for
Kasi nakabalo sa kanabang visit sila mga museum. Oo, namin mga kuan kanit mga campus nga kuan ba kung visit sila mga museum aron para ang ilang mga estudyante ko ba ma-recognize o kanabang part mo na sila ng mga subjects na like for example kita social studies kung narago tayo opportunity nga narago tayo doon din ng museum kung kanabang sundan po ta sa department ba nga magkuan-kuan ba ka ng sorry doon o magkuan din mag-discover din makabalo like through kuan ba kaning visit ng mga museum kuan kaning ingana sila dito kana muna siya educational na mga educational programs nga gipatupad ko sa lain-lain nga mga campus na mo-visit sila aron kana makabalo ang mga estudyante o kani siya asa ni siya gagikan kani siya muna siya na-discover ni kay tungod din ani kamatay mo na so nay nakadugo dili tong pupon ni Rizal dito or katong sanina ni Rizal nakasumusiyo katong inato ba din kuan po kanitong ingon dire na museums, libraries, and science centers that can be interactive and use multimedia help visitors to learn. So, sa foundation, university, sila ang mga student dito kay once mo ka nang visit sila ang mga museum, magdala na sila katubang iPad, iPad, magkuha ng uban, magpunsa iba, teacher, then kanang uban, kaning kulangan sila kung mga kulangan sila o kanang mga details ato nga kung naman ay dibutang like alam ang museo doon naman ay mga history dito makuha makita pang sulat mag-search sila ingana ba to kuan to help visitors na makabalo sila o makalaro sila through multimedia nga gikuan sa educational program. So anyone who has an idea to explain po what is educational program? Dali na side, Abby, Pearly, come on, dali, Eduardo.
Okay.
Next is online platforms. Please read.
Social media and websites provide virtual exhibits and artist documentaries to engage a global audience.
Then one code, like for example code, kanang po, saan ni? Dili, pwede. Kanang, kabanday mo sa US kay kaning ang ilang museum dito kay mga high-tech na.
Yes.
O ano ba, nana sa kanabang, banas kanang, hindi ko maka-explain, kasi maka-explain. Kanabang nana siya kanang mga dagpo na ba mga screen ba dito na nakanaanaw na ilang na yung mabalaan na naadito ang siya available na ba na lang ikuan ko ang dito dahil makita na lang kita kamuntay na siya ito na lang sa mga usually Facebook o lantaw. So social media and websites provide virtual exhibits and artist documentaries to engage a global audience. So one code sa Google code makita ko na to ba once mo kuan ka kaning mo search ka dito o kuan kaning unsay ka ng history ni Rizal unsay mga arts dito sa Gamabay nga makita na sa Google ba unsa lang mga parts ato nila dito muna siya isa sa mga kaning high-tech na kaya nga kuan karon kaning technology kay pwede na po na dili maato ba sa museum, dili na ta magbasa sa libraries, dili na ta magsige og pangutana kay ang tanan natong pangutana na naman sa kuan mga online platforms like for example
Google.
next example sa online platforms TikTok, very good. Next, yes, anyone was an idea what is online platform all about?
Shopping.
Sige, ikaw, example. Sige, explain. Oh, yeah, yes.
So, pamagyan ang sa online platform, dili ka maka-search o mga arts na pwede sa mga-search o historic arts. For example, sa Google Chrome or sa YouTube, diba maka-search na kung sa mga fantastic arts Gikan sa mga renowned artists in the Philippines.
So next is interactive activities. Hands-on experience such as live demonstrations and QA sessions encourage active participation. Sige, kinsay maka-explain ana? Kinsay ka mo explain? Eduardo. Sige, go.
So, ako lang i-relate sa education. So, before you play subject ng art, that ang teacher is na siya ipakita sa mga estudyante ng mga arts din. Yan i-question ng mga estudyante kung ano yung pasagutan na. For example, the teacher will show to the students the painting of Leonardo da Vinci, which is the Mona, one of it is the Mona Lisa. Then, ang mga asks mga student kung ano yung pasagutan, or katong the scream. So, pwede siya mga sa mga estudyante kung ano yung pasagutan ato nga painting. Kaya every painting naman siya stories behind it. Kasi pag mga kami mga painting, ito na abstract painting yung lagi mo sa so behind that is na siya mga definition nga naman or meaning nga naman na paint siya sa play artist.
Yes, thank you. So, here in interactive activities, like for example, di ba, if dili man ang mga palitan, example sa Siliman, dili man ang mukha ng mga mga instructor dito nga diretso sila paingon sa museum kung wala pa sila gi-orient. Or gi-orient pa man sila, usa sila gi kanang ipakita dito kung sa personal. So, dito, if gi-orient, like for example, nga ni taga Siliman ta, gi-orient sa tao sa kay paingon dito. Nana sila gipakita diyan nga mga kaning mga art, minsan mga artist, minsan na mga kinsay nagkuana, then giba nila ba mo sila questions, experience, nakahimo na ba mo inana, arts na ba mo, ingani pariya, ingani dito ba, then kuhaan ka ning, usahan na sila gikuhan dito, ang katong mga pictures nga, ilangan nga gipakita, nga ilangan nga question, ilangan nga gikuhan ninyo, i-orient ninyo, mo po na sila ano sa niba, mo po na gipakita dito personal, hindi mo na sila mo pakita dito sila i-orient kung wala sila ipakita dito sa personal, so, usahan sila mo adto sa museum, i-orient pa biya na sila, so, mo na siya pasabot sa interactive activities, pangutanon sila, kung sila experience, anak, kung sila mga kwan ba, kung nakatunan gamay ng mga info about what is arts, kung saan na siya yung sa pag-paint. Ihanap dito eh. Next is
Promotion and accessibility.
Sige, basa.
Government and private organizations promote exhibits through advertisements and efforts are made to make events affordable or free.
Okay, do you have an idea, Miss Abby? Sige, basa Abby, explain.
Government and private organizations promote exhibits through advertisements and efforts are made to make events affordable and free. So, as we observe, as of now, so, di ba, more on, nalang po ang advertisement because kanang sa mga TV, sa mga promotion, or kung ato ihatag sa mga traditional, nasa ipanghatag na katong mga visual, itong babati mo ito sa mga dalan na itong yan, anak, mga flyers, which is, it's really kung ang attention sa mga tao unsa about ang events. It's not nice sometimes for free ang mga government is para mailado ang ka-organizations is mo-promote sila exhibits through advertisement. Ang advertisement manggod is really essential if pag-abot na sa mga business. So, and also, naiuban ng mga governments and private sectors or organizations is through the promotion accessibility is ganahan sila makita sa mga tao ang kailangang efforts or ganahan kong advertisement and promotion is kuan mo siya, help mo siya sa organization ba, which is pwedeng mahimo lang free, not just to boost the arts, but to give efforts and attention sa others.
So, sakto si Abby. Nang may uban ng mga kanang artist ba nga, kanang bang mukuan sila ba, sige nang mukuan mo, ngayon tabang ba sa mga famous na organization, mga company, para ba ma-recognize ang ilang mga arts nga gipanghimo. Then, bubayad na po sila through makita, pa-advertise, or sa nila para kuan ka ng ma-recognize ang ilang efforts ba. Next is
Cultural collaborations. Partnerships with national artists and institutions to help show
Kuya Miss Arlene? Wala? Ikaw, Jessica? Roots.
So, cultural collaboration. So, going back to the past, are you familiar with Scholarium?
Yes.
Do you know that Scholarium?
Yes,
One
ako
of the
na
So, when we talk about, so let us talk about first the past. So, when we talk about cultural collaboration, so these are the local arts that are showcased to make, for example, the Philippines, to make the other countries know that we also have the arts that are world class. So, for example, is katong sa Pilipinas Got Talent, katong sa shadow dancing, sa Egama, Penumbra. So, they won in Pilipinas Got Talent. And so the Philippine government founded them to compete internationally to make the Philippines recognizable in terms of dancing and also showing art.
Yes.
Sige, ikaw.
Do you know Hardy Baralista? So, as we all know, Hardy Baralista is, aside from being a fashion model, she's also an artist. She does some painting that nasa Yapilan na organization, which is, gikan sila sa different, they like silang country din. Ang ilang art is mas, since 21st century, hindi na siya all about paintings, sa mga kwan is, even sa bag, ila na paintingan, ang bag, ang salina, ila na paintingan. So, makuha na siya, ma-relate na siya sa partnerships with international artists because paano na sila ng mga artists na sila, pero ang ilang mga artists, magpulihan nila kung na sila baligyaari silang mga painting din. Nasa yung mahal kayo ng painting na showcase siya sa Filipino culture, katulad katong napakita yung bagong bayanihan. So, cultural collaboration.
Yes, thank you. Next, the last is Pasatanan.
National artists play a vital role in preserving and enriching Philippine arts and culture. Through well-organized events and exhibits, their contributions are highlighted and passed on to future generations. Effective audience management ensures that their legacy continues to inspire people from all walks of life, both locally and internationally.
So, I want two representatives, one today, one to Linhing, mag-explain how is it important to preserve Gamaba National Arts or one gave importance na kuan ba ng mga efforts sa una ba mga ato ra gyud na inherent karon. So, anyone na dire.
I'm early.
Okay, early na. How is it important to preserve and give importance about Gamaba and national arts na ako artists? Wala ray kuan wrong question answer. Go. Okay, Arlene.
So, it's very important to preserve Gamaba and the national artists because at the first place, ang Gamaba is the one who are giving the makadawat ng awards for the arts that you make. The efforts are great, di ba? Pag muhatag ka efforts like, di ba sa mga sayaw-sayaw, ganantap, pagudaw ka, ganantap, malipay ka makadawat kang award. So, that's it for the artists na makadawat sila award through their art. So, kaning national artists is very important for them to preserve and they play a vital role in representing our culture and preserving our culture and encouraging more artists to be able to present themselves and win awards.
Yes, thank you. Si Juan is Marie.
It is important to preserve Gamaba and national artists play a vital role in preserving and enriching Philippine arts and culture. Okay, through good nga ila mga arts nila mas recognized kung isa yung Gama. Then, murag ila lang siya example diri sa Philippines. Kanang example na sa kanang
Team Philippines. Okay, that is our end of our reporting, and I hope you learned something. And before that, please prepare 1/2 crosswise because we have one short visa. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Wala niya ito mas likod tayo. Ito mas gilid yan. Eunice, ito mas likod. Okay, ready na? Okay, ready? Okay, ready or not, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Nag-answer na 1 for
Okay na?
Lapas Ayana girl.
Okay na, wala na yung mag-story ha. Go. Sayon siya, sige, basahan na ako na. Question. What organization is responsible for managing the Gamaba Awards? Number 3. What organization is responsible for managing the Gamaba Awards? A. National Commission for Culture and the Arts, NCCA. B. Cultural Center of the Philippines, CCP. C. Department of Tourism, DOT. Okay na? Yes. Number 4. What type of events are commonly held to honor Gamaba awardees? What type of events are commonly held to honor Gamaba awardees? A. Art auctions and commercial gallery exhibits. B. Traditional arts demonstrations, cultural performances and exhibits. C. Fashion shows and digital art competition. What type of events are commonly held to honor Gamaba awardees? A. Art auctions and commercial gallery exhibits. B. B. Traditional art demonstrations, cultural performances and exhibits. C. Fashion shows and digital art competitions. Number 5. What is one challenge in managing Gamaba-related exhibits? What is one challenge in managing Gamaba-related exhibits? A. Ensuring authenticity and preservation of traditional art forms. B. Securing sponsorships from international art collectors. C. Converting traditional artworks into digital formats. Tama na rin siya number 7? Nakuha. Sige. Okay na number 5? Small? Number 6. Where are most Gamaba exhibits and cultural events usually held? Where are most Gamaba exhibits and cultural events usually held? A. International art museums in Europe. B. Local communities, cultural centers, and museums in the Philippines. C. Private galleries in Metro Manila only. 6. Where are most Gamaba exhibits and cultural events usually held? A. International art museums in Europe. B. Local communities, cultural centers, and museums in the Philippines. C. Private galleries in Metro Manila only. Seven. Where can audiences learn more about Gamaba artists and their crafts? Where can audience learn more about Gamaba artists, arts, and their crafts? A. Through academic research papers only. B. By visiting local art festivals, museums, and NCCA-sponsored exhibits. C. Only through online video tutorials. Number 8. Where are most Gamaba exhibits and cultural events usually held? International Arts Museum in Europe. B. Local communities, cultural centers, and museums in the Philippines. C. Private galleries in Metro Manila only. Number 9. Where can audiences learn more about Gamaba artists and their crafts? A. Through academic research paper. B. By visiting local arts festival, museums, and NCCA sponsored. C. Only through online videos tutorials. Number 9 to siya. Ay, naman sino siya. Ay na? Okay, number 10. When was the Gamaba Award established? When was the Gamaba Award established? A. 1992. B. 2001. C. 1987. When was the Gamaba Award established? A. 1992. B. 2001. C. 1987. When was the Gamaba Award established? A. 1992. B. 2001. C. 1987. Number 11. When are Gamaba Awards ceremonies typically held? When are Gamaba Award ceremonies typically held? A. Every year during National Arts Month in February. B. Randomly depending on the artist's availability. C. Only when a new recipient is recognized. When are Gamaba Award ceremonies typically held? Every year during National Arts Month in February. B. Randomly depending on the artist's availability. C. Only when a new recipient is recognized. Number 12. How are Gamaba artists selected? A. Through a public voting system on social media. B. By a panel of cultural experts, historians, and government agencies. C. Through direct application from only artists wanting to join. Well, how are Gamaba artists selected? Through a public voting system on social media. B. By a panel of cultural experts, historians, and government agencies. C. Through direct application from any artist wanting to join. Number 13. How does the government support Gamaba awardees? How does the government support Gamaba awardees? A. Providing grants, financial assistance, and promotion of their works. B. Encouraging them to sell their works internationally. C. Organizing talent shows for their apprentices. Number 14. How do exhibits featuring Gamaba artists benefits local communities? A. They bring economic opportunities and promote cultural pride. B. They only serve as entertainment events for tourists. They or C. They focus solely on selling artworks for profit. How do exhibits featuring Gamaba artists benefit local communities? Number 3. A. They bring economic opportunities and promote cultural pride. B. They only serve as entertainment events for tourists. C. They focus solely on selling artworks for profit. Number 15. Number 15. Okay, number 15. Basa. Ay, okay. 15 na siya. Basa.
Okay, balik sa
Okay, number 17. Okay na?
Wala pa, John.
Wala pa di ay. Ayaw mo pagsuwiranan. Ayaw mo sigsuwiranan yung just ito, tapos bago na ako pa na. Yes, then number 6.
Number 6.
Letter C.
Sige pa.
Okay, sa letter C, sa number 16, by watching movies about